Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our weekly online trading session. My name is Thomas, and first of all, I would like to ask you how is everyone doing? Feel feel free to write your comments in our chat, which is located right next to the video. And first of all, we have this. So we have many different offers going on the platform, and the first that I'm seeing now is heritage shop with a 50% discount, market sale for USDT. Right. So on our platform, you can create an account. You can open up an account nominated in USDT, which is one of the it's called USD Tether, which is a cryptocurrency, but the exchange rate of this currency is very close to the exchange rate of a US dollar. Like basically the value, it is 1 to 1. So 1 USD Tether equals to 1 US dollar. It's basically this makes it very easy. And instead of, like sometimes one can be afraid of like losing on these different courses exchange rate like changes, but then with stable coins like USDT, for example, and a few other ones, well, basically I think it's like Binance coin is, or Binance token is also like a very stable one. So hey guys, hey Neo, Mustafa, Pratik, Zeroth, hello guys. Hope my screen is like, yeah, everything should be fine, I think. Just hold on a second, let me switch to another. All right, now I hope that everything will be fine. I've just connected to a different Wi-Fi spot. Yeah, so I can see a few questions in our chat. So yeah, let's start with these questions. The first question is from Mustafa. What's the difference between crude oil and spot oil and WTI crude oil? They have different quotes. Which one we trade in this platform? Right. So oil, well, basically crude oil comes from different countries. There are, like, say, Saudi Arabia, oil. There is oil produced in the United States. There is oil produced in England. There is oil produced in Russia. There is oil produced, well, in Venezuela, I guess, in Iran. So usually each oil is a little bit different from like another oil. Basically, it has a different, it contains different percentage of, as far as I know, like sulfates, and basically some of this oil is just basically it's like gold, right? So the more gold there is in like ore, basically the more this ore costs. So the same applies to Brent, to oil, and basically oil which is traded here on our platform is basically Brent oil. Well, Brent is the basically north that comes from England. That's the European blend, and this European blend. So basically, we have spot prices, the price kind of now, and then you have like different futures. So a future is a contract for future deliveries. So basically, if you buy a future today, you sort of fix the price, and then no matter what the price will be in the next maybe in 2 months, you will still get oil at today's price. So sometimes it works well in your favor in case oil prices go up, but sometimes oil prices might decrease, and at the same time you're still gonna have to pay like these like the today's price. So futures is a form of kind of like making, well, yeah guys, it's a probably difficult story to explain, but basically yes, there are spot trades and there are futures trades. There are also options trades, but when it comes to our platform, yes, we are talking about basically spot prices for Brent oil. So yes, I I'm still holding on to this trade, and I should probably be closing this trade right now, quite soon. Well, basically what I'm hoping to achieve here is well, basically maybe a few two more dollars of this price. Basically, once again, I'm making this pretty good number, even though I have to admit I had a few losing trades before. Like I was trying to catch this dip, I was trying to catch this bottom of this of Brent, and I couldn't, and I lost a few trades. But now I'm holding on to my winning position, and I'm not going to close it anytime. Well, probably now I will close it sometime soon, because now I'm doing pretty good profit. So my risk here was 50%, and my my current profit is plus 275, which is 5 times more than my stop loss. So I can even now set it to 150%. Nice. So guys, now let's go ahead and turn to our today's. Yeah, basically yes. I agree with Ashwath. Yes, you can compare the quotes in TradingView, for example. Yes, and basically on TradingView they have like so many different like when you say like Brent, you have like futures. Yeah, like if you just go here, you have like crude oil, Brent, spot. It basically comes in many different like forms, and yeah, just but they all are in deep correlation. Of course, they are basically oil is in deep correlation with one another. So guys, let's talk about our today's strategy, which is called diving. So let me go ahead and enable this trading strategy. So this trading strategy consists of three indicators. The first indicator is the 20 SMA, so the simple moving average with a period of 20. Next one is the rate of change indicator with a period of 14. And last but not least is the rate of change with a period of 7. So basically we have three different indicators, and like in all our previous strategies, we kind of have the same principle of layers of confirmation. So basically we should have three layers of confirmation before opening a trade. So let me let me explain to you how this all works. So for example, this Asia Composite Index, this is a perfect signal. Guys, hold on a second. Basically, we have three layers of confirmation, and according to these three layers of confirmation here on this asset, yes. So we are trading under the 20 SMA. Both rate of change indicators are indicating that we should be going down. Okay, so we are under the zero line here, under the zero line here, and so on. So this is another example of this strategy. So once again, three layers of confirmation. Layer of confirmation 1, 2, 3. So this one has just changed its position. Okay, that can happen. But when I was opening a trade, when I was looking at the trade and analyzing the chart, it was basically under the zero line. So what is next? All right, okay, so we have a signal here on Bitcoin. Okay, so yes, that's the signal. Basically, we have just broken under the 20 SMA, and we are headed downwards. We're headed south here. And we can try here with the Arabian General Index. So we have this index, which basically kind of like this cumulative index for the major Arabian assets, which are traded worldwide. And basically we have three layers of confirmation here once again. So the 20 SMA, we are above the 20 SMA. And the 7 ROC, we are above the middle line. And the last confirmation, the last layer of confirmation is here. The the rate of change with a period of 7, we are also above the middle line. So this trade here, I think we still have pretty good chances of winning here on Asia Composite Index. And yeah, GBP GPY, I also believe that I still have pretty good chances of winning here. Yes, so we are trading very close to this opening price. All right. So 3 seconds to go on this trade. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't close with a profit. It was kind of close to close with a profit, but unfortunately, it didn't close with a profit. Now, what I want to do next is I want to try again the same asset because the signal is still there. So I still want to go ahead and try. All right. So what about this here? Closed with a loss. Was kind of like close to be a profitable trade, but on the last few seconds, kind of went into the positive area and then it kind of dropped. Well, anyways, we continue trading. I continue trading. Now my Bitcoin trade closes with a profit. Arabian General Index, well, I'm pretty sure that it will close with a profit. I'm pretty like doing pretty good on this trade. And yeah, so this one has 2 more minutes of trading. Outcut. So this can be an interesting trade here. So we had a nice little upwards push here, and we're kind of stuck here. But yeah, let's just open the trade up because I think we still have enough of the momentum to keep this price going. How to set index? What do you mean how to set index? You can find indexes that are available for trading in your account over here in the indices tab. Basically all indices are there. And yeah, pretty much there you will see all of them. So what comes next? Yes, let's open a trade on the euro against the Australian dollar in the downwards direction. So basically, yeah, the signal is there, pretty clear, pretty obvious. Yeah, let's give it a try. So it's kind of dropping pretty fast. So I will be joining this. I will be selling into this like strong momentum. So let's see. And let's try this breakdown trade on the cable. So the GBP USD chart. And yeah, Mahajantar. Yeah, wow, nice. Quite a few trades I have open now. So, outcut. All right, so I have five open trades, five simultaneous trades. One, two, three, four, five. So I'll probably keep searching for more. All right. So where is my chart? Where are my charts? Guys, maybe my internet is lagging a little bit. That's why I don't see this. Okay, it should be there. So it's interesting to see this kind of like trade reversal with this, which came with this big green candlestick. All right. Right, so it will be interesting to see how this trade closes because we are trading right at the opening price. So how did it close? It still closed with a loss. Just well, heavy market, heavy market. What else can I say? Because yeah, I started off with two losing trades, three winning trades, and then again three losing trades, one winning trade. So basically, it goes like this. All right. So let's keep searching for more. Yeah, like this one. So it looks tempting, guys. So I'm gonna try again on the euro against the Australian dollar. This chart. So hopefully the second time it will close with a profit. And Arabian General Index, which allowed me to profit on the first trade. Right. So what I wanna get here is I kind of wanna get this little pullback. So basically, we just broken under this level of support. So we're trading. So one, two, three. So three times we bounced off of this support level. Then on the fourth attempt, we broke under, and now we are trading like under. And I wanna by price, and I wanna set a pending order here. Nice. So closing with the profit here. All right. So the market is difficult. One trade closes with a profit, and then the second one closes with a loss. It's not really stable trading. So, guys, once again, this is just another kind of like idea to have a closer look at forex, for example, because, well, like I said, I have this pretty much clear example, and look how much profit I'm making. Of course, I opened this trade in a pretty big amount of money, but nevertheless, I opened it like what 5 days ago or whatever, like a week ago, and well, yeah, this Brent trade, and so why I opened this trade? Basically, what was the idea? So the idea was very simple. It was a technical idea because, well, first of all, Brent oil dropped a lot, so it had dropped by a lot by this moment of time, and also at that time we were trading at this right next to this level of support here. And yeah, when price drops to a level of support, so usually it makes a pullback, it makes a it bounces upwards, and basically that's what happened with that trade. So the price is bouncing upwards, and also you have to include the fundamental factors, like there are not so many factors which there are so many factors that actually support the further growth of Brent. So there are many factors that will probably support the future growth of Brent, and I don't really see that many factors that can like sort of stop Brent, or like crude oil from growing even further in price, because we are like seeing continuous shortage of supplies of strategic crude oil reserves in the United States, and not just there. And like look at like natural gas prices. We are what we are in the middle of August, which should be the lowest. Okay, so maybe I should. Okay, so yeah, let me just go ahead and talk a little bit of fundamental stuff here. And so Euro AUD. Let's open another trade, one more trade in the downwards direction here. So because the signal is still there, 5 seconds to go, 5 seconds remaining. Yes, this trade closes with a profit. Nice. So basically, if you look at, well, like Brent prices or just pretty much anything, you will see that the energy resources are now so like trading so high. And if you have a look at natural gas prices, well, this is this is the highest in since, well, I don't know, since 2008 probably, when natural gas was trading even higher. And if you look at natural gas futures in natural gas now in TTF gas. So yeah, if you look at TTF gas, it's also trading at like 205. Of course, it had like its pretty brief spike here in the beginning of March, and then the prices kind of normalized and went down to 80. But now we are already like so high. And if you look at, well, like last in 2001 in Europe, so yeah, in August the prices were about like 50, and then they went up to 100 in October, and then like even higher in December. So basically, Europe is suffering so hard, so much from, well, basically from everything that's going on with Europe now. And yeah, I mean, like I I don't really know how, and I mean, probably no one really knows how high these prices can go. Like they can really go up even further. So nice. I have 3 winning trades in a row. So it just goes like this: losing streak, winning streak, losing streak, then winning streak. So it's 50-50 kind of. So we are in the middle of an hour, so we have a little bit of, we might see a little bit of extra volatility. Why our chart don't match? Well, your charts should match. Well, basically it's the same chart, the same charts, same assets, same everything. Oh, jeez, we're going to close with a profit. So we closed with a with a refund. Oh my god! So I was expecting pretty nice close with a profit on the last few seconds. It's very close to this, but closing with a refund, which is better than a loss, but I was expecting something better. All right, let's try Arabian General Index again. So 3 layers of confirmation. We are trading under the 20 SMA. The rate of change 14 check mark, and the rate of change 7 check mark. So guys, you might ask a legitimate question. So if not all my trades close with a profit, should you just like abandon this strategy, or should you go on? So in my opinion, well, basically this is how it works on the markets. You're never going to have like 100% winning trades or like 90% winning trades. This is almost impossible. um, maybe on short distance, yes, this can happen. Like you could have a certain sequence of winning trades followed by a certain sequence of losing trades. But in general, I should say that if you manage to have 55 to 65% winning trades, which is backed up by proper money management and risk management, then you will be for sure then for sure you will be a profitable trader. So it's a little bit counterintuitive. Not many, well, many people expect that, in order to be profitable traders, they need to have these like crazy like ratio 85-90% winning trades. But losing trades, in fact, are just a part of the game. And if you manage to control your risks, that's fine. I mean, like if you trade Forex, so on Forex, you only need to have 30% winning trades in order to be profitable, to close like every month with a profit, almost every month with a profit. Um, you don't really have to be like, well, I mean, like we all want, like hundreds. Okay, so I kind of like this this setup here. So with basic altcoin index, so I'm trying 2 different durations, 3-minute and 5-minute. Like we have this nice little breakout, and we are trading above the 20 SMA, and basically the 2 ROCs are also showing us for an up trade. So yeah, that is an interesting setup. So expect it will make this upwards push. So Arabian General Index. So unfortunately, it's reversing. So and it reverses on the last. Yeah. So basically on the last minute. So basically for 2 minutes it stayed under this. Okay, let's go ahead and try another one. So I will try another trade here. And well, basically that's it. So guys, going back to the question about trading strategies and the winning ratio. So yes, of course, we all want to have 80%, 90% winning trades. But in reality, and well, for example, why, for example, I suggest that you stick to a trading strategy is because trading strategies, if you follow a trading strategy, it is so much better than just making some like random guesswork on the charts. Because I mean, some people just start. Well, yes, they do. They just start doing this guesswork and trying to kind of like predict without any like proper analysis. I would say basically kind of with this they just trade with a so-called gut feeling or something. But it's better to stick with a strategy. If a strategy doesn't work, then of course you can switch to another trading strategy. But in general, I still suggest that you select a trading strategy. So your analysis has to be based on something. I mean, like doing just doing guesswork is it will take you. It's not gonna take you far in this business. And once again, so trading is all about. It's not just trading strategy. It's also about money management, and it's also about psychology. Because, like I said, on forex, you don't really have to be. You only have to be correct. You only have to be right just once out of three trades. If you manage to have proper, once again, money management, so these things that I've mentioned so many times already today, but yeah, it, it is true. So I've set another pending order here. Oh wow, basic altcoin index. So I was expecting something different here. I was expecting like a further push. So it looked like this flag formation and Euro AUD. So what? Well, guys, I mean, even with this same strategy, that we might be looking at the same strategy, but yeah, I'll just cancel this. The no, hold on, I'll make sense to 248, 248. Yes, I'll just set this pending order. Well, guys, even though we might have the same trading strategy, but entry points will be a little bit different because you just might open a trade here, there. So this is why probably that's another kind of like another reason to switch to long-term trades, because if you switch to long-term trades, you don't you just don't really depend on these little fluctuations in price anymore. You just you just completely like become independent from them. So they don't they are not going to affect your trades. All right, I lost my both trades here on basic altcoin index. So basic altcoin index is a little bit tricky, yes, but I just like this asset, even though I would say like most of the time I kind of lose on that asset, but so probably I should stop trading that asset. So sometimes it just works counterintuitively. All right. So guys, let's do the following thing. I will now open a few more trades, probably 4 or 5 trades, if I manage to find proper signals, and then we will see they will become decisive trades on this trading strategy today. So Astro Index, yes, that's a definitely down trade. Commodity Composite, yes, also it's a down trade here. So the Euro USD, I'm not very sure about this signal because we are kind of doing it sideways in the middle. So I will skip on this one. Europe composite, I will open an up trade. Yes, Oasis index, let's open an up trade. All right, so probably this will be enough. I just don't really see that many signals. So my favorite asset of today's webinar is Euro AUD. How did this one close? Oh, it's closed. Why is it so tricky? Why is this asset so tricky? I wonder. It's just not going anywhere. It's not going down. It's not going up. It's just kind of closes with a so twice it closes with a refund. All right. So Arabian General Index. So 40 seconds to go. 40 seconds remaining. Why so many traders call trading as a game of probabilities? Well, in fact, it's I would say yeah, it is a game of probabilities. I would say it's a game of mathematical probability because with like any strategy does not like a strategy does not guarantee that that you're going to have 100% winning trades, but at the same time it like probably if so this there is this movie which I like so much. It's probably one of my favorite movies. It's so Brad Pitt. I think it's called The Man Who Changed Everything, right? Yeah, I think it's called like that. So basically, it's about this. There was this baseball team in the United States, which was a little bit of an outsider team. And one day they kind of like hired this guy who had a mathematical approach at baseball. So, well, basically, he was like playing with these probabilities. I just suggest that you watch this movie. It's a real real fun movie if you haven't seen it before. And basically, the rules that he applied to like to trading to baseball, those rules can be applied to trading as well. So baseball trading, like sports trading. um, Guys, so yeah, The Man Who Changed Everything, that's the movie with Brad Pitt starring it. So unfortunately, out of my last 5 trades I have, so they kind of closed. Okay, so I have 2 profitable trades and 3 losing trades. So trading was a little bit difficult today. Yeah, the market was just really stuck in its just didn't really go anywhere. So most of the time I had a few winning trades, a few losing trades, and yeah. So well, thank you all for watching my webinar. I will see you next Thursday with a new trading strategy. We will try something else, some other trading strategy. And yeah, enjoy trading, love trading, and I will see you guys shortly.